in the wish book? It was an Amazon catalog and a Walmart one, I think. Did you have 2 of them?
Yeah.
Alright y'all, here she is, the new oven. Nothing fancy, pretty much the cheapest white one we could find. Besides a coil top, I did find a coil top and we almost went to get it, but it was like over 2 hours away, and then we found this one that could be delivered today, so we went with this one. It's a GE. I watched a few reviews on it and nobody seemed to really have any problems with them. So it has the flat top, but it's black. Y'all know the other one we had was white. I still have to set the clock, but anyway, I actually like it better because I feel like it won't be as hard to keep clean. There were a few other ones that were around the same price as this one. Like I said, it was one of the cheapest flat tops I could find, but they didn't have as good of reviews, even though they were a little more expensive. The reviews on those were not as good as the GE brand, so that's what we went with. Ain't she beautiful? Yeah. She's beautiful.
Just a little update on what we do in here. I'm building some beams to look old-timey. Well, I got one more I'm putting down there. There'll be 3 of these running vertical, that one across here horizontal. Then I'll finish this one out, connect one from that peak down to here, and build the rest of these here, so everything kind of matches. I'm going for the rustic look though. That's the reason you can see I beat all this out with an axe. That's the way I get that old-timey look, where it looks like it was just a tree and you beat it out and made it into a square. I will say those beams, if you go and buy them, they're very expensive. You can build these yourself, just buy some 1x6s. You know, it takes a little bit of doing, but you can get it done and save yourself a lot of money, because them 1x6s is not very expensive. So you basically come back and you want to come in here and just like this, just knock those edges off, just like you know. We're basically just making it into what we want it to be with an axe, and just come back and skin those edges off. You don't want anything to look, if you're going for this type of look, you don't want it to ever have a real polished look to it. You want it to look like it was done with an axe and a draw knife. But anyway, that's what you do. Just come back and beat it like that right there, and then put some stain on it, and she's ready to go. The combination that I'm going for is having some sheetrock, some really finished wood, and then I'm just in certain spots putting some of this rough looking stuff. I think all that coming together makes a really nice, comfortable, homey farmhouse cabin look. You don't want to overdo this. Just, you know, kind of splashing it in certain spots is what makes this kind of thing look good, in my opinion. You know, if you do too much of this right here, you know, naturally, just like anything, it can be too much.
Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. Picking out the leaves on the crooked Christmas trees. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. For you. Just to spend some good old time with my family. Chestnuts slowly roasting to the voice of Nat King Cole. And when you're not really looking, I catch you underneath the mistletoe. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. It's the most wonderful time, wouldn't you agree?
We're about to bake the first thing in the oven. It's a vintage recipe. Start. Exciting. Mr. Jonah is gonna help me with this one. This is called a cherry mellow cake. He loves cherries, he loves marshmallows, and he loves cake, so he's feeling like this one is a winner. So we got the pan sprayed. We're gonna put a little flour. We just need a yellow cake mix, marshmallows, and cherry pie filling. And of course, we do need the eggs and oil and water for the cake mix. Okay, Jonah, you go ahead. The recipe is right there on the back of the box. I just put the cake mix in, so you just see what else you need there.
1 cup of water.
How many eggs do you need, Jonah?
3. 1 cup of water.
There's your eggs. And let me grab this oil out for you. That's
That
okay.
didn't happen.
That's all right. They're clean.
That didn't happen. Half the cup. Now is it stir?
Yes, now you're ready to stir it up. Don't pour it in the pan yet because the marshmallows go down first. This is a fun cake for kids to help you make because we start with the marshmallows on the bottom, and while it bakes, they're gonna rise to the top and be a glaze on the top. It's also very easy. So now we just put our marshmallows down. Let me wipe some of this flour off the top of the pan here. This cake will be ready for us when we get back from doing our Secret Santa shopping. We're about to draw names. Cece already got the names ready in a hat over here.
Tom, I got this for Christmas. Now what do I want for Christmas? Jonah, I like this for Christmas. Now what do I want for Christmas? Sissy might like this.
Anything new town might like?
Yeah, maybe something. But I did get that little motorcycle toy.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to
Keep it in your pocket. Don't tell, it's a secret.
come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us.
Here we go. The most exciting night of the year, Secret Santa night. For real, the kids love Secret Santa night, I think, more than Christmas Eve.
We're at Tractor Supply.
This is just Tractor. Their supply went out. His coat's right here.
I don't need a coat. I stick to my own fur.
I'll take Manly.
Figure out who everybody has.
Okay.
Did you already figure out who everybody has?
No, we haven't figured it out yet. I know who Manly has, and I
I know who
know...
Melly has too.
Hey, Jonah, look. I found a little reindeer.
2 turtle dust.
Let's see.
Tractor Supply do smell good.
Yeah, does smell pretty good, huh?
It smells like nice stuff.
Yeah.
What do they put in here?
I think you smell like feed and maybe hay or something. I don't know.
It smells good. It ain't feet smell. No, it's Tractor Supply
No,
smell.
it's not feet smell for sure. Oh, here's some nice socks right here.
Nice boots.
Those are cute boxes. Look at those.
You want one?
I don't know. I'm not sure they would be too... Hey, look at those, though. Those might be good. S'mores. Look at that. Jumbo peanut butter cups.
Nice.
No peeking. Second stop, Walmart. And I think this is the only place we're going. We usually... I think last year we all did Tractor Supply. This year, some people need to go to Walmart. Sissy's going with me this time.
A
Falama. That was a falama. We parked on that end. Right here. Will this be enough, Cece? Is this big enough for the one you got?
No.
Oh, okay. What about this one? Is that one too big?
No, it's not too big.
Okay. Guess we know who Sissy has. We are on the hunt for Ninja Turtle merchandise, and we're not finding. Is that a Ninja Turtle down there? I see something green. Okay, what about
This one.
Tyler's exercising? 18 Twinkies.
Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be here sooner. Holiday for family and friends. And we've got pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high, while building Frosty the Snowman until late outside.